Tesla just dropped a bombshell that could kill every gas car on the planet. A $10,000 electric vehicle that's more advanced than cars costing 3 times as much. In the next 12 minutes, you'll discover exactly how Tesla's Model 2 will revolutionize transportation forever, why it's about to crush every competitor in both America and China, and most importantly, why this could be the most important car launch in human history. Welcome back to Tesla Torch, where we break down the future of transportation before it happens. If you want to stay ahead of the EV revolution, smash that like button and subscribe, because what you're about to learn will change how you think about cars forever. Picture this. You walk into a Tesla showroom and see a car that looks like it came from 2035, packed with technology that makes your smartphone look ancient, and the price tag reads $9,800. That's not science fiction. That's the Tesla Model 2, and it's about to turn the entire automotive industry upside down. For years, everyone said an affordable electric car was impossible. The Chevy Bolt costs $27,000. Most EVs are double that. Meanwhile, Tesla's engineers were quietly working on something that would make those prices look absolutely ridiculous. The Model 2 isn't just cheaper, it's 40% cheaper than anything close to its capability level. And here's the crazy part. It's more advanced than cars costing 3 times as much. How did they pull this off? 3 words: manufacturing revolution. While other companies are still building cars the same way they did in 1980, Tesla created something completely different. They're producing the Model 2 simultaneously in Texas, Berlin, and Mexico, using AI-orchestrated assembly systems that coordinate 15,000 robots processing 2.8 million data points per second. This isn't just faster manufacturing, it's manufacturing that thinks. They're predictive systems can forecast production bottlenecks with 97% accuracy, which means they can promise 7-day delivery anywhere in the United States. Compare that to the 4-week lead times of their competitors, and you start to understand why Tesla is about to dominate everything. But the real game changer isn't the price, it's what's inside this $10,000 machine. The Model 2 runs on Hardware 5, Tesla's latest self-driving computer built on Samsung's advanced 5-nanometer process. We're talking about 32 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. That's more computing power than most laptops, sitting in a car that costs less than a decent motorcycle. The numbers are absolutely insane. 1,000 trillion operations per second. That's 5 to 10 times more powerful than the previous generation, and here's the kicker. The car is designed to support Hardware 6 when it arrives, which will be nearly 10 times stronger than what's already in there. Tesla isn't just selling you a car, they're selling you a computer on wheels that gets smarter over time. The cameras alone tell the whole story. Tesla upgraded their B-pillar cameras to 8 megapixels with enhanced low-light sensitivity and active defogging systems. The front camera now records in near 4K ultra-high definition. Why does this matter? Because these cameras are the eyes of full self-driving version 14, and FSD V14 is where things get really wild. This isn't your grandfather's cruise control. FSD V14 scales to 10 times the parameter count of previous generations, creating AI that drives like a human being. Elon Musk describes its behavior as feels alive, and that's not marketing speak. That's what happens when you give a car a neural network sophisticated enough to make human-like decisions in real time. But Tesla didn't stop there. They integrated XI's Grok directly into the vehicle, turning your car into a conversation partner. Need directions? Just talk to it. Want to know the weather? Ask. Looking for a good restaurant? Your car knows. The Model 2's infotainment system becomes as simple as talking to a friend, making it incredibly approachable for first-time EV owners who might be intimidated by complex technology. Now let's talk about what makes this car physically incredible. While Tesla's Cybertruck uses 30x stainless steel, which is overkill for most situations, the Model 2 apply. It's the same engineering philosophy at a practical scale. The core structure uses hot-stamped boron steel with tensile strengths exceeding 1,200 megapascals. To put that in perspective, that's stronger than most building steel, focused in critical areas like the A and B pillars, roof rails, and rocker panels. This creates a safety cage around passengers that can absorb and redirect crash energy without adding unnecessary weight. Closed section rails, boxed sills, and continuous load paths direct crash forces safely around the passenger compartment. But here's what's really smart. Tesla designed this car to be repairable. Instead of welding everything together permanently, key components bolt on. Front and rear modules, fenders, bumper covers, all easily replaceable. When you have a minor accident, technicians can replace entire modules instead of spending dozens of hours straightening bent metal. This keeps insurance costs down and maintains resale value. The interior follows the same philosophy. Capacitive and software-based controls last far longer than physical buttons that wear out and break. Over-the-air updates keep systems reliable without frequent service visits. The materials themselves are engineered for durability. Synthetic leather with nano anti-stain layers that can withstand over 50,000 Martindale abrasion cycles. Translation: this interior will look new for years. But the real revolution is happening underneath the car. The Model 2 uses structural aluminum-ion battery packs that integrate directly into the chassis, improving rigidity while reducing the number of metal parts needed. These aren't ordinary batteries. Aluminum-ion cells charge up to 60 times faster than conventional lithium-ion batteries, offer higher energy density, and are much less prone to overheating. Even better, they rely on aluminum instead of rare lithium, cutting costs and improving sustainability. Tesla enhanced these with graphene technology, delivering 25% longer cycle life, hitting 2,500 cycles compared to the industry standard of 2,000. That translates to 10 years of reliable daily driving without battery anxiety and a 15% boost in resale value. The efficiency numbers are mind-blowing. Tesla's AI-driven thermal management system cuts energy loss by 18%, helping the Model 2 achieve an impressive 5.22 miles per kilowatt-hour. The modular battery system means owners can literally snap in additional packs for install. And range boosts. It's like upgrading your phone's storage, but for your car's driving range. Tesla is also experimenting with structural battery composites that use carbon fiber as both load-bearing structure and energy storage. If they integrate these into the Model 2's chassis, it could reduce vehicle weight by 10%, boosting driving range by up to 70%. We're talking about solid-state aluminum-ion batteries that retain over 99% capacity after 10,000 cycles and work in extreme temperatures. Aerodynamics play a huge role in efficiency, and Tesla is targeting a drag coefficient of 0.21 for the Model 2. That's achieved through a smooth roofline, flush door handles, flat underbody, and active grille shutters that open and close based on cooling needs. Combined with low-resistance tires and regenerative braking, city driving can recover 10 to 15% of energy that would otherwise be lost as heat. The regenerative braking system is so effective that most city deceleration happens through the motor instead of traditional brakes, reducing brake pad wear by 50 to 90%. Over 5 years of ownership, Model 2 drivers can avoid costly transmission services entirely and barely touch their brake pads. This makes the Model 2 one of the lowest maintenance vehicles in its class. Performance-wise, the Model 2 uses a permanent magnet synchronous motor operating at 94 to 97% efficiency. Silicon carbide inverters reduce switching and conduction losses by 5 to 10%, squeezing every bit of energy from the battery. The single-speed reduction gear maintains 97 to 98% efficiency with fewer moving parts and less wear than traditional transmissions. Safety features include Tesla Vision hardware with tri-forward cameras and millimeter-wave radar, providing high dynamic range and accurate distance measurement, even in heavy rain. Automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control reduce rear-end crashes by 20 to 40%, while smoother speed control saves energy and enhances safety. Now here's where Tesla's manufacturing strategy gets absolutely revolutionary. Their AI-orchestrated assembly system doesn't just build cars, it predicts problems before they happen. Processing 2.8 million data points per second from thousands of sensors across multiple facilities, the system can coordinate production, inventory, and shipping with surgical precision. This enables Tesla to manufacture custom variants in just 48 hours and deliver them anywhere in the United States within 7 days. While competitors are still figuring out their supply chains, Tesla is already delivering personalized vehicles faster than most people can get a pizza delivered. The sustainability angle is equally impressive. Biocomposite materials cut production emissions by 35% while actually improving structural strength and crash safety. Tesla expects to earn $400 million in environmental credits by 2028, money they're reinvesting directly into making the Model 2 even more affordable. Self-diagnosing robotic production lines achieve a 99% defect-free manufacturing rate, reducing recalls by 50%. With flexible production systems scaling rapidly, Tesla projects manufacturing 1 million Model 2s per year by 2030. In the American market, Tesla's predictive maintenance technology powered by xAI's reasoning capabilities can forecast tire wear, brake needs, and battery degradation with 95% accuracy. This saves American owners an average of $500 per year compared to traditional maintenance schedules. Quantum-inspired battery algorithms adapt to local climate conditions, delivering a 20% range boost that translates to 310 miles compared to the industry standard of 260. The personalization goes even deeper. Neural interface technology adjusts seats, mirrors, and climate settings based on biometric recognition. The energy recycling suspension system captures 15% of road kinetic energy during highway driving, adding an extra 10 miles of range just from normal road vibrations. But Tesla's real target is China, where they're about to disrupt some of the world's largest EV manufacturers. The Model 2's swarm-based AI system shares collision and traffic data in real time across all vehicles, predicting potential accidents 0.5 seconds faster than competitors. That half-second advantage could be the difference between a close call and a catastrophic crash. Augmented reality navigation projects lane guidance directly onto the windshield, improving driver focus by 22%. Predictive over-the-air updates personalize features based on individual driving patterns, with the car literally evolving daily instead of monthly like traditional software updates. Tesla's manufacturing agility and eco-friendly materials give them cost advantages that even Chinese manufacturers, known for aggressive pricing, cannot match. The Model 2's combination of affordability, efficiency, and advanced autonomy positions it to capture significant market share in both America and China simultaneously. The everyday practicality is where Tesla really shows their attention to detail. The wheelbase and headroom accommodate taller passengers comfortably, while a flat floor enabled by underfloor batteries creates a low step-in height for easy entry and exit. The rear cargo area maximizes usefulness with folding seats and a pass-through for long items. Adaptive LED headlights and dynamic ambient lighting improve visibility and comfort during night driving. The minimalist cockpit reduces distraction and eliminates mechanical failure points that plague traditional vehicles. Voice assistants like Grok cut eyes off road time by 20 to 30%, significantly enhancing safety. Build quality details matter too. A solid door closing, feel, and tight panel gaps indicate the precision manufacturing that reduces wind noise and enhances the overall driving experience. The cargo area provides enough space for typical household items without the complexity of traditional trunk mechanisms. So what does all this mean? The 2026 Tesla Model 2 isn't just another affordable EV, it's a technological powerhouse engineered for durability, efficiency, and everyday practicality. With breakthrough hardware, AI-driven software, and revolutionary manufacturing strategy, Tesla is positioning itself to completely reshape the global automotive market. The Model 2's sub-$10,000 price point, robust engineering, and bold technological vision represent the turning point for electric mobility. As millions of families gain access to high-tech, low-cost transportation, we're not just watching the launch of a new car, we're witnessing the moment when electric vehicles become inevitable and gasoline cars become obsolete. The question isn't whether the Model 2 will succeed, it's how quickly it will transform every road on the planet. Tesla has once again moved the entire industry forward, making the future of transportation accessible to everyone. The revolution starts now, and it costs less than $10,000. If this video opened your eyes to what's coming, hit that like button and subscribe to Tesla Torch for more exclusive insights into the future of transportation. The EV revolution is happening faster than anyone expected, and you don't want to miss what comes next.